Proud voices?
Yeah.
Okay, let me scoot over just a little bit.
So sorry.
Okay, ready? Grandparents. Grandma and grandpas are everything nice, like presents and candy and raspberry ice, and chocolate fudge sundaes with cherries on top, and popcorn and peanuts and grape soda pop. In winter and summer, in rain or in sun, grandmas and grandpas are wonderful fun. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, remember one at a time before you go back to them. I want you to come down. I'm going to do the first row first, okay, so we're not stepping over each other. Braxton, come here and tell me something you think is very special about your grandma and grandpa. You don't want to? Okay, that's okay. Scarlett, you want to?
I want to go after.
Okay, Scarlett has something to say. What do you think is very special or something special you do with them?
I like to kiss my grandma.
Oh, that's awesome. She loves it too, I bet. Okay, thank you, buddy. Okay, come here. Miss Addison, ready? Okay, tell me something special. Likes to give her grandma kisses. Okay, guys, it's her turn. Shh, Bubbles. Bubbles. Thank you. Okay, Miss Victoria, you can go. What do you like? What's special about grandma?
I want to sit grandma Peppa a hug.
A hug, absolutely, and I know they love that. Okay, come tell me.
I love my grandma because she gives me kisses on my cheek.